Hey guys, today we're going to talk about a diet trend that's gained lots of attention lately, and that is intermittent fasting. You've probably heard of it, and more specifically, we're going to be talking about whether intermittent fasting is the best diet for building muscle. If you think you have a family member or a friend that could benefit from this information, I hope that you'll share it with them. And if you haven't done so already, hit the subscribe button now so that you won't miss my next video. Now, there's no question that intermittent fasting can provide some long-term health benefits towards gut healing, weight loss, and overall health. But we always need to look at any diet in the context of the individual person and his or her goals. Dieting or eating behavior is not a one-size-fits-all proposition, and dieting requirements can change over time. The best diet for one person may not be the best diet for others, depending on their individual needs and goals. For instance, the keto diet is an extremely low-carb or no-carb diet. It's been shown to support brain function, and according to the literature, it is the diet of choice to help control epilepsy. So if you're an epileptic, the keto diet might be the perfect diet for you. However, if you're a professional bodybuilder, undergoing extreme high-intensity training, which is fueled primarily by glycogen or stored carbohydrate in the muscles, then the keto diet might result in a lack of energy or a lack of peak performance, an increase in muscle breakdown, and slower muscle growth. It may be an amazing diet in certain cases, but probably not the best choice for a person wanting to build muscle mass. The same analogy can be made regarding intermittent fasting. First, what is intermittent fasting? It can mean anything from not eating for 12 hours per day to intermittently going 24 to even 72 hours without eating. Let's look at this in the context of training to add muscle tissue. Stimulating muscle growth requires progressive resistance training, weightlifting. Such training burns lots of carbohydrates and amino acids and breaks down some muscle tissue. During and immediately after training, there are unique metabolic and nutritional demands that must be satisfied in order to maximize recovery and support muscle growth. Carbs and protein must be taken in to replenish and resist further muscle breakdown after the workout. Protein demands will continue and need to be met throughout the day and evening to optimize muscle growth. Now, missing any of these important nutrient demand windows, as can occur even in the short term without intermittent fasting, can slow both recovery and muscle growth as the time-sensitive availability of essential nutrients is reduced. Fasting for 24, 48, or 72 hours can further increase the likelihood that your muscles will not get the protein and carbohydrates they need when they need it. Not to mention your energy levels, and therefore your performance in the gym can suffer. That's okay. Let me say it again. Meeting the momentary nutrient demands of your muscle tissue is essential to optimizing muscle growth. Here's another one. Another key to optimizing muscle growth is getting at least 1 gram of high-quality protein per pound of lean body weight every day. It's difficult to do that when you're fasting for part of the day. Typically, for bodybuilding and optimizing muscle mass, we suggest 5 to 6 small meals per day with at least 1 gram of protein per pound of lean body weight over the course of the day, with a relatively lower fat intake and the rest of the calories coming from non-refined, complex, longer-acting carbohydrate sources. Now remember, the results you get from your training are largely determined by your diet, and that means meeting your momentary nutritional demands to help your muscles get both bigger and stronger. All right, guys, be sure to watch our exercise and nutrition videos to learn more. To do that, subscribe to this channel so that you'll be alerted when we have new videos up for you. I'm Labrada, your lean body coach. Stay motivated, get up, and look up.